SQL Diagnostic Report. So this has been a little bit around. If you used to do something called SQL Health Check, scripted to download, they basically built this in now. So you can run a SQL Diagnostic Report. If you're having troubles with SQL statements, it just collects a whole bunch of information together in a single report for you. Table, object information, statistic information, optimizer information, all in one place. Gives you an HTML-based report. You basically just run it by giving it the SQL ID, which actually has to be in your cursor cache. And then there's a level, there's typical, and I think there's one other higher level. Um, this is very much like the health check, except it's built in. You have to install anything, you have to download anything, it's right in there. You can also provide a directory. If you have a database directory creating, you'll put the report in that directory. In this example, I spooled it out to a text file, HTML file. So it looks kind of like this. This is not a very exciting one because it's not a very exciting SQL statement. But again, you know, it just kind of collects all that information in this report. So if you're trying to diagnose or troubleshoot something, you can kind of go through here and look at like plan control information or statistical information, all that in one report. You don't have to be online in your database to kind of bring it all together.